Frank, you seem in a good mood. Why is that today?
Do you mean my breakfast option?
Yes, perhaps.
I had mac and cheese for breakfast. That makes me so happy. Okay, hold on. We're hoping for some thermal. There are some clouds. Well, some clouds on top of Brindisi that give some hope.
Okay. Look a bit more easier. A bit lifted. Not a big easy, but just put the Oscar on route maybe for now.
You can see the ship in front of you, right?
Give me a little trim, Will. I stay above it now.
Enjoying these conditions.
Nice.
What a nice way to finish. Flat water. Nice view of the coastline. Just got to see where we're going to end up at the finish. Last thing to find out.
Alright. What can we expect this afternoon and tonight?
So next thing coming up, we're just making the most of the nice thermal along the Italian coast. Got some nice sea breeze clouds over here. Very close fight with Wholesome. And now we've basically got to cross to the north, the Adriatic, to the finish line in Rocca Bay. And the tricky thing is there's not much gradient wind today, so that's why we're sticking to the Italian coast to then make the most of the wind, get as close as we can before we have to traverse the light wind patch, and hopefully pick up some new wind on the other side. And by tonight we should hopefully have a nice northwesterly wind, which will take us to the finish. Nice. So we're setting up for that.
You happy?
Huh.
Are you happy?
Yes, because we're going faster.
Nice.
We're getting closer. All good things.
Well, seems like a rather radical change of conditions. Did you expect that?
Yeah, I mean, it was we're always going to have a nice sea breeze acceleration this afternoon, and luckily it's at a nice angle where we can exploit it a little bit. So it's going to take us to the finish a bit quicker, but it's not going to last so long, and gives a bit of an opportunity for TRR to come back towards us. So us to get close to the front runners and them to come back to us. So we've got to keep working hard.
It's crazy to think that it's only a few hours left, you know. It feels really we started only, like, yeah, I would say a couple of weeks ago. It's more than couple. It's always the ocean race is this funny thing that you race, you spend so much time with your team, and then suddenly it's like over.